Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Doogee T20. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store like I have right here. Now let's find Microsoft Edge, install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this browser. Here we can customize it, so sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it, set up for a data sharing preference, click on confirm. Lastly, set Microsoft Edge as the default browser. And as you can see, the browser works just fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.